Okay, I wanted to take a minute and go over my new project. I've been watching all the guys on YouTube with the Schwinn bikes and upgrading them. I just bought a new Schwinn Aluminum Comp. They had them back in stock at Walmart, $224 in my area. Just took it for its maiden voyage ride before I do any upgrades. You know, for a cruiser around the neighborhood or something, it's probably a good bike the way it is. I'm going to go ahead and put air forks on it, a 1x, new cockpit, tires, wheels, and all that over time here. On my initial ride impression on it, for some reason the cockpit seemed really low on this bike for me. I think it'll really do a lot better with a bar with a rise in it. The grips are absolutely horrible. They're hard as rocks. I just totally uncomfortable with the grips. The pedals are the cheap plastic, you know, big box pedals. My 510 shoes stuck to them pretty well, but I think that was more shoes than pedals. The gear train, it's some no-name brand of gear train, actually shifted well and functioned well, and wasn't too noisy. Didn't go in much stuff that was very rough. The saddle supply, surprisingly enough, is Schwinn branded, and it was actually really comfortable. I was surprised. But you know, follow along. I've got you know, $500 worth of stuff coming right now for it. So we'll turn this $200 bike into a $1,000 bike before we know it. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Thank you.